Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add ghost lame effect to your video, to your page in CapCut apps. So tap on your project, select your video you like to edit, and I'm going to open my project. So there is video, and I'm going to add ghost lame effect, body effect, and then select dark, scroll to the right, here's ghost lame, click again to adjust for the atmosphere, range, color, texture, and intensity. Just click check mark. Here you go. So basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.